afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, teachers, and my dear parents. I am Marshit from class 2nd. I welcome to this joyous occasion as we celebrate the graduation of our kindergarten students. Today is a day of pride, joy, and wonderful memories. To our young graduates, today is your special day. You have spent an amazing year playing, learning and growing. We are so proud of each and every one of you. Parents, your love, support and encouragement have nurtured these young minds. Thank you for being there every step of the way, for trusting us to be part of the educational journey. Teachers, your dedication, patience and creativity have nurtured these young minds. Thank you for your hard work and patience. Today, as we celebrate this milestone, we also look forward to the many adventures that lie ahead to our graduates. Congratulations to our kindergarten graduates. May our future be filled with joy, laughter and endless possibilities. Thank you all for coming here to celebrate this special day. Enjoy the celebration. Thank you.